Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Be sure that you subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for new uploaded videos. Today's review is from the Modu Anytime collection, and this is their Passion Curly Twist. Now, to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Now, I am using a lace wig that I braided to make this wig with this Passion Curly Twist from the Modu Anytime collection. They are very, very easy to apply. Let me just say that first. And I am spacing them out by using the one finger method. Very nice. They are twist all the way really tightly, and then they have the curl at the end. You see, I'm using the one finger method, and I'm gonna do this throughout the wig until I get to the back of the wig, and then I'll do the two finger method to space it out. So this is what I've completed. Yes. And so I'm going to work on the back and fill it in. And that's when I'm going to start doing. Those curls are so beautiful. They're soft. They are very, very lightweight. Now I'm going to do the two finger method on the back, ladies. Okay. Now these Passion Curly Twist are, you can use regular shampoo or a special shampoo for braids. You can, it says remove excess water by gently patting the hair with a towel. Use a conditioner that is designed for hair extensions. Okay, but what you cannot do is do not use a curling iron to reset the style, or do not use a flame or lighter to singe and seal the ends of the braid. This is not heat, nor is it flame retardant hair. Now right here, I want to close up that parting area. So that's what I was doing with the Passion Twist. Now they are itch-free, antibacterial, and antifungal fiber. Soft and ultra lightweight. They really are lightweight. They're very realistic, tangle-free, and you get a natural human hair touch. Now these is in the color number 4. Now you see how I have closed in that parting area? Looks so much better. But I am loving these Passion Twist from the Modu Anytime collection. And in a few minutes, you're going to see the completed wig. And she came out so beautifully. I tell you, really, really nicely. And here she comes. Ta-da! This is her. My commentary is coming up next. Modu has really come through. Loving this from the Anytime collection. Check out the color that the beautiful model is wearing. I will definitely have to add me some of this two-tone color when I make me another wig, or just maybe put some in between the color of the number 4, because the number 4, oh my God, it looks so natural, ladies. You're gonna get two sides with this hair. Oh, this is some beautiful hair, ladies. Yes, you're gonna get the twist tie, and all you have to do is to untwist the twist tie and take it off of this board. You're going to get 13 of these Passion Twists already curled. Really, really nice. So you're going to get 13 on this side and 13 on the other side. So that's going to total you 26 in one package. Now I give this hair a 10. I would definitely recommend this Passion Twist hair because you don't receive the tangling, you don't receive the dryness, you don't receive the frizziness, none of that. Now I am loving these passion twists because they are so versatile. You can do them up, you can do them down, whatever style that you can come up with. These are your passion twists, so definitely do your thing with them. But simply gorgeous, very lightweight. Guys, you're gonna love this passion twist from the Anytime collection, okay? Just want to show you how these beautiful curls just fall into place as you do your style. You just pull on them and they just fall into place however you want them to style. Look at that. That is simply some gorgeous twists. And they separate really easily. All the information on where you can find these beautiful Anytime Passion Curly Twists will be down in my description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.